Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to be going over a new feature in the manufacturing app in version 19, which allows you to edit the status of work orders. To do this, we'll go ahead and go into the manufacturing app. Since this is for work orders, we'll hit the operations and we'll go down to work orders here. As we see, I'm in the list view right now, and if we go to the right, we see that there's a new field called status, and here we're easily able to change the status of work orders. If I click on this, it'll bring up the options of what I can change the status to. If we need to block it for any reason, we can do so. The to-do status, which it's in right now, this indicates that the operation is ready to start, but it has not yet been started by the operator. Canceled status indicates that the work order was canceled manually or by a manufacturing order closure. So we can go ahead and change these at any time. For example, if I want to put it to in progress, it'll actually go ahead and start the timer for me in real time. And then also, if I do go ahead and move it to canceled, it'll go ahead and put it with the canceled manufacturing orders. If I do need to put it into another status, I can easily change them with the click of a button. As always, if there are any questions about this, don't hesitate to reach out to Sidexis. Thanks, and take care.